another week. There was our friend coming in. Okay, our big question to test you today and see whether how good you are. Okay, and hope that all of you are always alert your progress. Especially some of you need more help. Some of you feel like this chapter is still very weak. Okay, you need like some booster. So our big question to make sure that y'all can do this type of question easily with the latest format. This chapter, I discussed quite a lot of chapter. Maybe I see which chapter I haven't touched at all. Perhaps this question that related to, let me see. Oh, differentiation. Okay, that can be in bagian B with 16 marks together. Is a very good question. So we straight away start with this long question. Okay, 9 marks first and related to differentiation, this chapter. So are you ready? Do you know what happened to my laptop recently?
Spoiled, right?
Yeah. Until now, cannot solve. So I have to cut and paste into another whiteboard. And then, I can paste it here. I can draw on the whiteboard here. Yeah, that's the only way to solve it. So sad like last week. That's right. The whole last week, the mood gone. So today, I hope that y'all can really, really do well. With bagian B, this is the latest format exam question. You see, this question is like something you need to know. Okay, it is like differentiation, but then a little, and then got application, and then the pattern. Oh, this is the lengkapkan jadual this one, right? For question A. Okay, always remember every lesson you are being trained to to do on the spot and train your speed. Although you don't have any exam, school exam, or physically, but some of you still happy-go-lucky, don't care about the timing. You just do at your own sweet time and realize that not enough time to finish during the exam, you start. So I don't want this happen. I need y'all to do it now. That's how I drill the students in front of the screen with your papers or your text pad. A test pad, you can write the working and you can start doing, right? Okay, good. And I see you are very, very hardworking. Like every week, I see the same people here. Alia, Brian, Tanya, Kang Ning, Unki, Weni, Hazel, Jocelyn, Yicheng, Hui, Liana, Natasha, Nurozarin, Lok Yi, Yong, right? Shannon, Shriya, Subashini, Sumin, and yes, sir. Okay, good. So, as you can see, when you read carefully, it's all about first derivative, terbitan pertama, secara inductive. So you see the pattern. The pattern is something you need to know how you study the power and also like, the way it derived. Okay? I share which screen already? Okay. So do you manage to see the pattern? Right? So the answer for question A, as you want to solve 4x is 4, 4x squared is 8x, 4x cubed is 12x squared. This one, a n x power n minus 1, 40x power 9. So can I ask you, what is the pattern? That is the thing that students, they don't like. Yeah, Sriya also give the answer already. Very good, Yicheng. So how you should do? Winnie as well. So see 1, 1 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 1. Is it 3? 3 minus 1. Oh, the pattern. If let's say n, the A represented by 4. So it's just replaced with A. Then this one must follow, which is, you see, inside one, right? You follow 1, 2, 3. But here is 4 becomes 3. 4 is 2. 4 is 1. This one A nothing. It's just a 1, 2, 3. It refers to who? Like you see, the N is 2, 2. 3, 3, 3. N. Ah, that's great to see the pattern. How about 4x, 12, 10? The pattern will be, yeah, 4.
10x minus 10x and then 10 minus 1.
Very, very good, Brian, right? So good. Oh, 10x, 10 minus 1. You see, this is called good attitude of students. They really engage with my class. So that you're with me, participative is very important. Well done, well done. Okay, A plus student coming up already. Good luck, good luck. So the question A done. How about question B? Have you managed to solve? Yep, you have to check carefully so that you won't have any problem. Very good. Yes, some also. Good. Okay. 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 Hello, everyone. Your friend B. A closed box has a side length as shown in diagram 13, which is like, given the volume of the box 216, area of the box is this. Find the value of x when A is minimum and interpret your answer. Wow. Have you seen before this type of question? Because normally, okay, after the KVAT question is introduced into the year, after that, the years onwards, right? Following years, every time people expect something different. And you see, this is another way they can test you, interpret your answer. They have to write in sentence. So, apakah jawaban kamu untuk dapatkan tafsiran Anda? So what you can do is remember related to minimum. Always related to minimum, maximum, this word you have to know dy dx equals to 0, something like that, right? But this is not dy dx, this is the area and volume, right? Volume, volume, volume. So this question is very good. I hope that y'all really try. You see, they give you a cuboid. and they give you the volume. Okay, well, volume. If let's say I want to write in the expression, because you know the 216 is just for the what is that called, information only, to maybe substitute later on. But now, let's say I want to, because you want to use differentiation, dy dx, dv dx, all this thing, right? So the v is like length times width times height, right? So v equals to x squared y. And then when a is minimum, by right should differentiate the a. Correct. They give you a equals to 3x squared and 6xy. You have to differentiate with respect to x. And then at the same time you got y. This is the thing. Why they give you volume equals to 216? Because they want you to substitute the y. That's the reason. I repeat, you see, because a is minimum means dA dx confirm equals 0. Now the thing is, your a is 3x squared plus 6xy. dA with respect to x cannot differentiate first because the y is there. You have to replace the y. So how? Then you have to know why they give you volume 216 for you to replace, and then to make y as a subject like this. Then you can replace the y with the 216 over x squared. Then you can differentiate with respect to x easily, right? That's the understanding. 216 times 6, 1296 over x. dA dx, differentiate 3x squared, you get 6x. This is over x, you can write is x power negative 1, x power negative 2. Can or not? And then continue, given a is minimum, right? When dy dx equals dA dx equals 0, right? You can write like that. A adalah minimum apabila terbitan pertama adalah 0. So 6x, you can write, substitute lah. 0 and then 6x, 1296, x power negative 2. Okay, you can rewrite like this. 1296 over x squared. Yeah, very good. Anki, yes, sir. Okay, then everything times x squared, 6x cubed, 1296. 1296 equals to 6x cubed. X cubed equals to 1296 divided by 6 is 216. X is cube root of 216, you get 6. Oh, you see? Everyone, you have to interpret, because they ask you to find x, you have to interpret. How to interpret? A lot of people, they didn't continue to do this step. Did I mention last week? To differentiate second time, why must differentiate second time? From here, you get 6. Negative 2 times negative 1296. Differentiate that power, bring down. Okay, and then power minus 1. Okay, then when x equals to 6, the value of this second derivative, why you need to find the value of second derivative? Mengapa nak cari nilai untuk terbitan kedua? Mengapa kena buat ini? Because You need to know the value, whether it's positive or negative. Positive, right? More than 0, right? Since second derivative, you all remember or not? Second derivative is 0. Sorry, second derivative more than 0 or less than 0. Therefore, area is minimum, confirm, right? When x equals to 6. So interpret your answer is just like that. This is what they want to see, interpretation. Why they say x is 6, you get minimum for area. Understand? Clear? Good. Okay, finish copying. Jot down. We go to the next question. Oh, and this step forgot the final step. Yeah, good, clear. Huh? So your friends say usually the interpretation, how many marks? About 1 mark to 2 marks only. Yeah, not much. Marking scheme also about, for this, 1 mark only. Okay? So we go to next chapter, see whether any question that you feel very hard to do or not. Right? Perhaps this chapter you might forgot, like although you learn in Form 4. Okay, I want to test you all now. See whether who can do it. Yeah, no worry. Well done, Subhashini. Actually, I feel sad one, because you know why? Y'all never take this e-revision sponsored by Sergey, right? Seriously, because y'all like sometimes attend the class, sometimes didn't attend the class. Yeah, so how?
Yeah, I can attend, but the problem is, if my teacher have a replacement class, I'm forced to off for the
Oh,
Saturday morning.
I mean this afternoon one day. Right.
Afternoon one have no problems.
I see. Well, got replacement class, your teacher.
Cause the teacher, she just only teaching 30 students, only about the 30 students, modern
Oh,
maths and ed maths lah. And then the problem is last week,
mm,
everyone was get their jab, and
mm.
yeah, and the Thursday she have went for Terengganu for visiting her cousin. And then this
Oh,
Monday,
uh-huh.
actually she must have a class, but the problem is she having a meeting.
Oh, teacher also busy meeting all
And
this.
then the 18, the MGS, they take their jab and she have
Oh,
headache for the next replacement.
oh, that's how I think you're also following the teacher suffer together.
Yeah, yeah.
Like this, huh? Then what I can do is like, yeah, we always hope that, yeah, if you have question to ask, you can, really do it together with me and, see whether how we can improve further. Okay, I always try to, discuss difficult question. Okay, you just need to know. All right. Okay, well, this question, Okay, who can do it and just give me your answer? Okay. So you have to test whether your timing can catch up, whether you solve easily or you have to take very long time to solve. Okay. So this chapter is like quadratic function. So how to do it, right? Okay, so far only Weini and Loki as well as Yesam get the answer. Who else want to give the answer? Okay, done. Let's check the answer together. Right? over here, question 2a, right? I want to, given that the range, cut the x-axis as two different points. Okay. Cuts the x-axis at two distinct points. So this one is to tell you A is 4, B is this one. You have to find A, B, C, because when you talk about two distinct points, okay, straight away B squared minus 4AC more than 0. But because you say this is something like got 2 points P less than, wow, this one find the value of M and N. Well, so if you want to continue by substitution method, your check, class, whole thing square B minus 4AC. Wow. And your job, right, is to find P, is it? Yeah. Just continue. We get what? 4 square? 16. 3 minus P also must square. 4, 16 times 5. Okay, check. You get 80. 3 minus P more than 0. And then 16, 3 square 9 minus 6P plus P square minus 240 plus 80P more than 0. Expand. 144 minus 96P plus 16P square. Okay, this one already expand. Okay, well, continue. 16P squared minus 16P. Okay, 144 minus 240 minus 96 is more than 0, right? So everything can divide by 16 or not? Divided by 16, P squared minus P, 96 divided by 16 is 6, right? Oh, easier. So this situation, quadratic equality, you must always solve with quadratic graphical method. Happy graph. Cut at where? How to find these two roots? I let P squared minus P minus 6 equals 0. Factorize P minus 3 plus 2. So P minus 3 equals 0. This is to find the first root. Cut here. P plus 2 equals 0. P equals to negative 2. Shade above or below? Shade above. Do you see? That's your answer. Is it? No, no, no. P less than negative 2, P more than 3. And they give you, they say, given that the range of value of P, when the graph is this one, you know. By comparison, you see P less than negative M over 3. Can I replace the P? Hold on, P less than negative 4. You try to copy this, P less than negative M over 3. P is more than 3 over N. I want you to compare. Buta pun tahu kan? Buta tahu tak? Buta pun tahu. Ini negative 2 is equals to negative M over 3. You see, this is how you say by comparison method. Buta pun tahu by comparison. M equals to 6. 3 equals to 3 over N. n equals to 1. Very good that your friend got it correct. Well done. Yes, Sam. Log E, Winnie. You are so smart. Okay.
Right side I can't see.
Oh, you can't see. Okay,
Look
okay.
at this.
You can't see. I zoom out for you to see. I see, you see, we can't see. You see, I see, he see. We see together. See, see. Okay. After this, what type of question I want to test you? This one very long, not very long time. Last 3 weeks we learned log and indices. Perhaps this one easy. You close one eye, maybe can do. Close two eyes, confirm cannot do. Okay. Yeah. So this question, you all can see from your computer screen. Okay, start now. All together, 7 marks question. Latest format in the exam. Your son got submitted the answer already. Good. Okay, I saw the answer from Log E, Sriya, Vaini, right? Yes. Okay, who else want to give the answer? Yi Chen also. Good. Well done. Okay. Any question? Can do this whole thing or not? One more minute if you need more time for this whole question. Okay, yes, and we all until question C already. Good. The others still find your own sweet time, is it? You all have to do carefully and solve without any mistake. Okay, done. Previous question 2B haven't discussed. Oh yeah, oh. Yeah. So fast already. Ask you to show the area. All right, this question. I will look. This question asks you to show. Normally, show is the best question because answer got already. Okay, has a perimeter, so area of triangle which has a perimeter, then it can be. So you must know that given this question, they give you this information, right? What does it mean? Show the area of rectangle as a perimeter that can be expressed as this. So, of course, you must know that who is X, who is Y, yeah, this type of thing, right? So that's why I'm wondering, do you all know how to do this or not? For those who really done just now, right, the question. Okay, so any idea for this question just now and who got do this? Yeah, see whether can you get it or not when you come to this type of question, right? Done. This one question 2 we can do at class. What does it mean? Just now you all didn't realize that this question also have to show leh. You see square minus square Mickey Mouse. So something you must know whether how you show. Completing the square method. Okay. What else? Completing the square method. Any more? Okay. So done already this question for those who really attempt it just now. And I forgot to discuss just that this question, yeah, you can use something like, when you have to draw, you just draw. Because if you don't draw, you may not know what is that about. So step by step, Okay, you want to draw a rectangle for you to see better. The thing is like information, is it enough? So they give you like x and then 40 minus x. Okay, so this is something like you have to, let's say this is x, this is y lah. 2x plus 2y add up together 28, right? So over here, you can also link the area. This is perimeter. The area is x times y. Okay. So over here, everything divided by 2, you get x plus y equals to 40. If you want to link it, okay, just in terms of x, so y equals to 40 minus x. You can replace with this. Okay, so the area, if you see, the y you replace with 40 minus x. And what happened here is you have 14, okay, x minus x squared. But still cannot prove to this. 49 minus x minus 7 whole square, and your friends said it correct. Use completing the square method. That's one of the way. Okay, so how to show completing the square? Because this question, by right, is 14x minus x squared. How to show so that you can get full marks over here, right? Are you ready? So listen carefully. Your job is to continue to solve by completing the square. You can bring the negative x squared in front, rearrange, and then you factorize the negative. And then you can start doing what? Remember, x squared minus 14x plus negative 14 over 2 whole thing square plus negative 14 over 2 whole thing square. Minus, 1 plus 1 minus, remember, you have to do what? You have to do the plus minus the b over 2 whole thing square, this method. And then, after that, what you can do? What you can do, class? You can see completing the square already, right? Okay. You take the first 3 term, open the whole thing bracket. X minus, take the front, take the back. Negative 14 over 2 is 7. Negative 7. And then the last one is this one, right? Plus, negative 14 over 2 is negative 7. You square 49. Right? Correct? But the thing is you have to expand, the thing is the sign, double check. Yeah, plus minus, because it's plus, then 49, right? Okay, the thing is here, this sign should be plus first, then minus. That only makes sense. See, that means this one expand still got negative in front of the 49. Okay, then you open bracket, that's right, plus 49. So ask you to show, right? Do you get this? Show, not tertunjuk. Okay, plus minus. Any question for this? Completing the square, you got it, very good, well done. Okay, log E and yes, sir. Okay, this question I asked you to do, right, just now. So ask you to solve means find the K. So what you can do is, you just need to square root it lah. How 1 means you square root. So you got square of K over 12. Square of K times square of K is K, right? And K equals to bring up 72. And question B, rationalize who? Denominator. So you have to focus on the denominator there. Multiply the conjugate of him. 3 plus 3. And what happened? 3 times 3, 9. Minus square of 3 times square of 3 is 3. Then you expand 2, 3, 6 plus 2 sub 3 plus 3 sub 3 plus 3. And you get what? Do you get this answer, class? You want to split them also, okay? Okay, any question for question B? Question C, solve again. Oh, this one, who can get this answer? Log. Okay, okay, good. So this question also say we have to find x. So first step, you see, left hand side, right hand side, different base of 4, 3, 16. Okay, as I know, log 16, 4 is what? 16 power of what equals to 4? Now this is how I ask yourself. 16, 4. You can change to a number. So it's actually 16 power 1 or 2, square root of 16, right? So you must know log 16, 4 is actually power 1 over 2. Very good, Shreya. You should know this one. 16 power 1 over 2 equals to 4. So you can replace the whole thing as 1 over 2. Because the left-hand side, the log make you feel like very challenging because so complicated, log. Don't worry, be happy. You have to know you can take base power equals to the whole thing number. Oh, base power 1 or 2 equals to the whole thing log, the number. You must know asas, index, dan juga nombor. Buat dalam bentuk, tukar kepada bentuk index. Ini bentuk log, tukar kepada bentuk index. You can still solve again. 4 power 2 means square of 4. Punca kuasa 2, 4 ialah 2. And then still can do what? One more time. Only one log, right? You can change to index form. 3 power 2 equals to this. 3 power 2 equals to 5 minus 4x. Wow, I can get the answers very, very fast already. 4x equals to -4. Right? X equals to -1. Done. Is that easy or difficult for you? Okay, we go further. Oh, you like integration or not? Let's see. Yes, I want to ask you whether your volume area all can do or not. And okay, next question. I chose this to test all of you whether you can easily get the answer or not. Done, class? Oh yeah, cannot be so fast huh? If you are so fast, I think you are A plus also. Okay? Yeah. Oh, go back a while for the question 2B. Oh, you forgot how to do. Your friend say, oh, luckily I test your question 2B. Which one? Which one? Oh, the earlier one. Hold on, your friend request. This one, 2B. For those who didn't realize that completing square is needed for 2B in order to get the answer, like how your friend really see the pattern, oh, 49 minus x minus 7 square. Okay, you can screenshot it. Okay, can I go to the question that your friend asked? This one, Okay, the others? Wow, very good. Your son got the answer already so fast. Okay, ready? Find the area, find the tangent, find the volume. Wow, all integration, right? So I need y'all to do it as well so that y'all got no issue in the question. Okay. How to integrate, that's the thing. Done. Okay, only one friend give the answer. So integration, this type of question, right? It's a long question. Do you see yourself? How long do you take to solve? Some of you like took very long. And this question that make you phobia, right? When you see like, yo, how to do this and are they connected? One question wrong means all wrong. The point you found wrong, if P and Q wrong, then also wrong. Scary, right? Okay. So another friend, okay, give the answer for B already. Is it difficult for this chapter? Why it's like quite challenging for you? You have to check. Okay, after another 2 minutes, then we can discuss. Okay, let's check the answer. Because I see you're panic, this chapter since long time ago. Yeah. So no worry, let's discuss. Okay, let's see. Question to find the values of P and value of Q, right? I want you all to be very careful. The relation is like they give you the curve. The P and Q is inside the quadratic equation. They give you the area of this 9. So it's some more area under the graph. This one is 2, right? So what I can do is area under the graph, right? Area under the graph given is 9 unit. Do you know that below the graph is negative value? So you add a negative. Okay, you must know, because below area below the x-axis, when you integrate, must be -1. Okay, so in order to make it tally to the 9, you have to add a negative to him, like this, right? And you integrate from where to where? 0 to 2. Under what graph? This graph, right? So this is the first equation maybe you can find, because they give you the information of the point and equation without full complete value, but you integrate and then you can see how you find P and Q. Okay, this is like P integrate respect to x, Px of integrate Qx square, you get Qx cube over 3 from where to where? 0 to 2, got negative, or I take the negative, bring to the right hand side, become multiply -9. And you sub in the upper limit minus lower limit equals to -9. 2p plus 8q over 3 equals to -9. So this is something like, how to make it better? Everything times 3 to make it no fraction, right? Easier for you to get the equation nicely. Okay, not enough information because equation 6p plus 8q still cannot solve. You need another equation. At point M, 2, negative 12.5, y equals to p plus qx squared, right? And the x is 2, so this one, p plus 4q equals to negative 12.5. And you make p as a subject. Then you can say, sub in equation 2. This is equation 1. To solve the, P and Q, you can use either substitution method. Okay, continue. 12.5 times 6, you get negative 75, negative 24q plus 8q equals to negative 27. Okay, rearrange. Negative 24 plus 8 is negative 16q. Negative 27 plus 75, you get 48. Q is negative 3, correct? When you got the Q, you have to find P, right? What you should do is when Q equals to negative 3, P equals to negative 12.5 minus 4Q. And you'll have your answer, kamu boleh dapat jawapan. P ialah berapa? Okay, do you get negative 0.5? Or negative half? That's it. Okay. Then find the equation of tangent. To find equation of tangent is a straight line. You have to get two information. One is gradient, one is a point. Kena ada dua maklumat untuk cari jawapan. So, equation of tangent, do you need to find the gradient of the tangent at point M? Yes. You have to know differentiate y respect to x. Your equation of the y, okay, negative half, you substitute in, right? The p and q substitute already, dy dx, differentiate negative half 0, differentiate negative 3x squared, you get what? Negative 6x. This is the gradient. At M, they give you the point, right? 2, negative 12.5. The gradient is negative 6 times 2, you get negative 12. And then equation of tangent at point M, you just substitute into this equation. The point is the point M. Oh, then you can solve already. Wow, okay, then your answer will be equals to 11.5. Yes, do you get this answer, class? Very good. Yeah. Okay, question.
Can you zoom out first?
Zoom up first.
So maybe
Okay. Yeah.
like that also so long give 4 mark.
Yeah, it's like that one, in exam, very cruel. Sometimes you write very, very long. But actually, okay lah. 4 marks worth it for rather than, one question, 10 marks, you wrong, then all thing wrong. You still got no chance to get more marks for other question that you know well. Okay. So finish? Can I discuss the question C?
Give me until 54, please.
Where? Until where? 34.
754.
Okay, can. Volume. Yes, how to do?
Lastly,
Lastly, I thought what happened suddenly. So scary.
because this is
Okay.
the first time I saw so long ever.
Okay. Oh, then you have to do a lot of exam paper already. This is like very common in exam got such question. Oh, 10 marks. So well, this question, they say find the volume. Yeah. In terms of pi when the region bounded by the curve, y-axis, and the straight line. A lot of people, they never go and see where is the region, the curve, y-axis, and the straight line, this one. Okay. Oh, so it's this one, right? Rotated about the y-axis. They didn't say region bounded by x-axis. Very long. Actually, got something not right. They should, right? Okay, region bounded curve, the y-axis. Okay, y-axis and the line. Hey, hold on, line. Hold on. Hey, where's the line? Line y equals to -2 is here. -2. Everyone, let's say line is here. So a lot of people, they never try to see properly. Curve, y-axis, and the line y equals to -2. So the region is this one. Ayo, rotated here 360. So be careful. A lot of people thought the area of region that shaded by them. No. This is the green color I shaded here for you to find volume of revolution. Very simple to find volume. Rotate at y-axis or dy. Add a pi, add a square. But the thing is bounded by a curve from where to where? I know from -2 to, what is the value here? They cut at where? So you can see on a lot of things you have to find yourself y-intercept, right? Y-intercept is when x equals to 0. Kalau nak cari pintasan y apabila y sama dengan x sama dengan kosong. So it's -1/2. Cut at -1/2. Like this, -2 to -1/2. And then integrate who? Sub in, make x as a subject. Oh, make x squared. This is x squared, Remember, this one must be x squared, right? Remember, add a pi at x squared. So x squared, you make x as a subject. Rearrange, rearrange equals to -half minus y. S squared equals to divided by 3, 106, and -1/3. Okay. So you have to rearrange. A lot of people forgot this chapter and then forgot that what to put already. Have to make x squared subject. You put in, don't need square already x squared. So substitute in, right? 326 divided by 3. Very good. Never need to do much. Yeah. So every Saturday must attend the lesson. Okay. Okay, integrate now. -1/6 is -1/y. Integrate y squared over 326. Remember, over 3 times 2, I straight away already put in. And volume, very simple. You just need to sub in. The answer must be positive, right? Minus, sub in lower limit. Wow. Okay, can you please put in the value? This one is 1 over 12. 1 over 12. Plus, this is 4, 4, 6, 24. 1 over 24. Right now. Then minus 1 over 24. Oh, 4 divided by 1 over 24. So here will be 1 over 24. Minus this one. 1 over 3 minus 4 over 6. So 1 over 24 plus 1 over 3. Very good. I saw your friend got the answer. Well done. Well done to your friend who gave the answer correctly. Yes, well done. Okay, you're the only one got correct. Yeah, who else got correct? So this is the answer. So I need you all to be aware about this. Okay. So I will stop here. Make sure that you all have to come for the next week lesson to learn more difficult questions so that you can learn at your own place there. Follow my space as well. All right, my pace. All right. Okay, thank you, class. I'll see you and bye-bye. Take care.
Sayonara, sir.
Sayonara. All the best. Alia, Winnie. Okay, bye. Yicheng also. Bye, Brian. Bye. Okay, bye. Take care. Okay, see you. Welcome, Shafika Liana.